We want to simplify the following fractions. We have a plus 2 over a plus 2 times a plus 3. The a plus 2 on the top can be looked at as 1 times a plus 2. On the bottom, we have a plus 2 multiplied by a plus 3. Since these brackets are multiplied, we can cancel the a plus 2's, leaving us with 1 over a plus 3. Now consider x plus 2 over x squared plus x minus 2. If we factorize the quadratic on the bottom, x squared plus x minus 2, and of course you can use any method to factorize this, we'll get two brackets. We have an x and an x to give the x squared, 2 and 1. If we make this a plus and this a minus, plus 2 times minus 1 gives us the minus 2, and 2x take away x gives the plus 1x. So this fraction is 1 times x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 times x minus 1. The x plus 2's therefore cancel, giving us 1 over x minus 1. We now have x minus 2 over x squared minus 4. X squared minus 4 is a difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. This really is a pattern that you must remember. It comes up so often. X squared minus 4 then is going to be x plus 2 times x minus 2, just following this pattern. Remember, 4 is 2 squared. So this fraction is 1 times x minus 2 over x plus 2 times x minus 2. The x minus 2's now will cancel, giving us 1 over x plus 2. Finally, we have x minus 2 over x cubed minus 2x squared. This is 1 times x minus 2. On the bottom, we have a common factor of x squared. Take this out and open a bracket, and in the bracket we have x minus 2. X times x squared is x cubed. X squared times minus 2 gives us the minus 2x squared. The x minus 2's will cancel, leaving us with 1 over x squared.